Hey, it's Kiro's workshop. Remember Inferna, the volcanic titan? Well, I'm back with a new member of the forces of nature. This time I'm making Gaia, better known as the Mother Nature. I wanted this entity to be beautiful and graceful, so expect a lot of flowers and colors. I had this Venus doll for a while now, and I really wanted to create an earthy titan with her. I contoured her face and blushed her body some time ago. Let's begin with her face. I've been practicing some bigger eyes for my dolls, so this is a very good attempt, I guess. Like always, I'm marking the form of the eyes with grey color pencil. And with dark coral, I'm marking the waterline. I want her lips to be more natural, so I'm barely applying a light pink. Too key for a gentle stir, I'm going to make the iris a little big. And I choose purple for the color of the eyes. I made her some little leaf looking eyebrows with green pencil. I fill the white of the eyes with acrylic paint off camera, and after the second coat of sealant, I'm making all the colors pop more. I use white pencil to give the lips more texture. And I'm also darkening the brows. I know, I've been told my hands cover a lot of shots on my videos. I think it's because I grab the pencil in an unusual way. With black pencil, I'm darkening the contour of the eyes. She's a powerful being and she needs a glamorous look. So I'm applying some glue with a brush and then filling the glue area with green nail art glitter. I've told you, nail art supplies are the best for this project. I've been looking to other way some artists apply the shine of the eyes, and I must admit, the smaller the better they look. So I'm painting 2 small dots on each eye. And cleaning up the excess paint to do a small sheer line on the bottom. Pop the head back to the body, and now it's time for the hair. I bought these pink extensions on my beauty shop and created this ombre look with jade hair dye. After I saw Hextion's hot glue weft method, I knew I had to try it, and I must say it's so amazingly easy and quicker. So now I'm going to hot glue the wefts on the back of the head, just at the bottom. Don't worry, we'll be covering this ugly finish soon. I grabbed the same foam putty I used for Inferno's body to make this queen hair crown. I wanted it to look like wood, so with a nail file I'm giving it some texture. Also with scissors I'm cutting off some pieces. I don't want it to look perfect. I told you I was going to cover up the ugly glue with more putty and give it texture using a brush. Let's give her some moss. With yellow yarn I made flock, and to paste it I'm going to glue the area and add the flock. This moss is a little too yellow. So, using a sponge and green paint, dab dab dab, just like Simply Nailogical would say. Her crowns needs more green, and also I need to cover up those harsh edges, so I'm pasting these little leaves in front of it. Also, the back of her head looks a little lonely, so I'm gluing these little ribbon roses I bought on my craft store. Okay, so the original idea was that she was going to wear a very long dress made of rose petals. And I actually started to make it, but the petals I found were really stiff and it was looking so ugly. So I decided to glue more roses on her body and she actually looked way better. Don't worry about those lame colors, cause I'm going to paint some of the white flowers to make it more colorful. Let's make those flowers more beautiful. I tried to mimic some dewdrops with little rhinestones. And since she's not wearing any clothes, I glue more green and clear stones. And the final step, I was going to use Venus' actual ivies, but I rescued the wire that came with the little roses. Twisted them a bit and super glued them onto the body. Please be careful when using superglue. Not that I had my fingers glued together and had to erase that part of the video. Who do you think I am? For some finishing touches, I'm adding little leaves and these crystal clear butterflies. I must say I enjoyed so much making this doll, and she went better than I expected. So guys, you live you learn. Sometimes things doesn't go the way you planned them, and there is no reason for you to stick to an idea just because you really want it to look exactly like that. And this is the reason why I really don't sketch. This hobby is about experimenting and having fun. I really want to show more of my process of repaint and reviewing the sealants I've used. I also will open the invitation for you to ask me anything, so go ahead and make me some questions on the comment box down below. I will select a few and answer them on my next video. Have an excellent day, and I really hope to see you on the next time. Bye!